Hello, welcome to part 3 of the Introduction to MOPs tutorial. We have already covered the music side in the first 2 parts, so today we are moving into visualization. Building a simple pop network to visualize what we have made until now, and let's start right away. So that it's more clear to see with the kick and with the wavetable, like harmonics and everything. It gets some new shapes, and then if you introduce yeah, and then with the hi-hats, everything starts to be more complicated.